how to run any apps as administrator. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can run any apps as administrator. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. So first, find the app that you want to run as an administration. So let's say that I want to run maybe the Notion as an administrator. So I'll just right click on it. And after you right click on the app that you want to run as administrator, you'll find multiple options. And one of them will be run as administrator. Simply tap on it and give your device permission. So give your device permission, and after you give it permission, your app should open up as an administrator. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more such tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.